Alright, hello everybody, welcome to another video today. My name is Chris, and today we have some news to go over. Now this was released on Friday, March 5th, 2021 at approximately 7:05 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is big news, of course, about Hudson Bay and Saks Fifth Avenue. So Hudson Bay announced early Friday which is a leading growth capital So Hudson Bay and leading growth capital investor Insight Partners have entered into a partnership that establishes Saks Fifth Avenue's e-commerce business as a standalone entity, which will be known as Saks. Insight Partners has made a $500 million minority equity investment in Saks, valuing the business at $2 billion. The retailer's 40-store fleet will operate separately as an entity referred to as Saks Fifth Avenue, which remains wholly owned by Hudson Bay Company. As separate but related sister companies, Saks and Saks Fifth Avenue will be better able to appropriately plan for and invest in their respective service models. Hudson Bay's governor, executive chairman, and CEO Richard Baker said luxury e-commerce is poised for exponential growth, and as a standalone digital company with an existing strong position in luxury, Saks is primed to win a significant market share. With this move, we are redefining the luxury ecosystem, supercharged by an inviolable customer base in a comparable brand equity, long-standing relationships with top designers, exquisite stores in top markets across North America. The team's fashion expertise, combined with a renewed digital focus, will provide customers with an unmatched shopping experience. Furthermore, the transaction reinforces Hudson Bay's ability to unlock significant value within our company's assets. We are delighted to partner with Insight Partners, a firm globally recognized for its ability to scale the internet software e-commerce leaders to unleash Saks' full potential as a permanent luxury e-commerce platform. So this is accelerating. We'll go over this at least. This part. Mark Matrick, previously president and CEO of Saks Fifth Avenue, will serve as CEO of Saks and a member of the company's board of directors. Under his leadership, Saks will make strategic investments, evolve, and expand its online experience. These investments will bolster Saks' already well-established digital business, starting with strengthening its service model through elevated styling capabilities and data-driven personalization. Ultimately, Saks will feature a hybrid retail marketplace platform, expanding its assortment while maintaining a curated experience. Baker continued, Mark's leadership of Saks Fifth Avenue over the past several years drove a total transformation of the brand and the customer experience. His efforts, along with those of his expert management team, enabled the business to generate an industry-leading top-line growth and an impressive market penetration. With this, I am confident that he will bring this innovative leadership to Saks as it embarks on its journey as a standalone e-commerce company. Mr. Matrix said, for nearly a century, our customers have loved and trusted Saks Fifth Avenue shopping experience, cementing the brand as a leading fashion authority and setting the bar in luxury retail. As a standalone company, we are all well positioned to make the appropriate investments to drive exponential growth and deliver the same exponential growth experience online. We are energized by the opportunities that lie ahead for our customers and our vendor partners. This is the pivotal beginning of Saks' next 100 years as a leading luxury retailer. With Saks' transition to an e-commerce business, Sebastian Gernaham will join the company's board of directors and serve as an advisor. Mr. Gernaham was previously a member of the executive team at Amazon that led its marketplace expansion. Among those other large technology and operational divisions of the company, he also held executive roles at Apple and Oracle, along with the partnership roles in the world-class enterprises. Insight Partners Managing Director Devin Parrick added, luxury e-commerce is exponentially resilient and high-growth sector, and we are excited to invest in this iconic, century-old brand that has been so successfully morphed into a native digital strategy. Saks has thrived, continuously reinventing itself, but by also staying close to its strategy, being the premier partner of choice of so many leading global experts. We look forward to partnering with Mark and the rest of his management team as they continue their expanded and their global customer base and become the defining company in luxury e-commerce. Stores to remain a key customer touchpoint. This is a big one. This is the last part I'm going to read. Saks Fifth Avenue will remain as the customer-facing name for both businesses. Saks and Saks Fifth Avenue will work in conjunction to continue delivering the seamless customer experience. Returns, exchanges, and Saks First credit cards will continue to be accepted at both online and in stores. Saks will lead marketing, and merchandising across both businesses, whilst the stores will fulfill physical functions of Saks, such as buy online, pick up in store, exchanges, returns, and alterations. Saks will retain ownership and control of Saks Fifth Avenue intellectual property, including the brand and visual identity. Larry Bruce has been appointed as president of Saks Fifth Avenue and will report directly to Mr. Baker. Mr. Bruce has been with Saks Fifth Avenue for nearly 20 years and has served for the past 8 years as director of stores. Mr. Matrick added, "The Saks Fifth Avenue brand is rooted in delivering the best in fashion and beauty. Saks' expanding online presence will drive brand awareness, while the physical locations will continue to serve as an important customer touchpoint. I am certain that Larry is the right leader to continue driving the store fleet into the future. We look forward to maintaining a symbiotic relationship and working together to provide a seamless customer experience across all channels." Rion Capital, a significant shareholder of Hudson Bay Company, was actively involved in the transition. Ferdinand Baristo, I probably pronounced that right, managing director, Russia Capital, said, there is a great potential in business that operate at the intersection of retail, technology, and real estate. We are pleased to see this transaction coming to fruition and are confident it will lead to a significant value of creation. The strategy to expand Saks as an e-commerce while offering to service customers through its well-positioned store locations will be mutually beneficial and further solidify Saks Fifth Avenue brand as a true leader in luxury retail. And this is just advisors about Hudson Bay and about Insight Partners. So what do I have to think of this? This is a lot to take in. Is this the thing that happened with Lord & Taylor and Latote? Not really. Saks has a following, and more so of a following than Lord & Taylor did. And we all know Hudson Bay likes Saks Fifth Avenue more so. And I do think that this is very exciting. I'm not too sure what's going to happen with the e-commerce, but I think it is smart for them to have Saks being online, as more people do shop online. And I do think it's good that they're saying they're confident in keeping the stores, which is certainly going to be key, which means some malls, of course, this is, great news for some malls who, were worried about Saks Fifth Avenue. This is some great news that those stores are going to remain, as malls right now cannot afford to lose anchors, as many malls have lost, unfortunately, other anchor department stores such as Lord & Taylor. I don't know if this is going to work or not, or if this is ultimately just going to be a transition to e-commerce. Again, this was done 2 days ago, so we'll just have to wait and see. But this is big news, especially, and for Saks Fifth Avenue, this is huge. And I'm glad, too, that both companies are going to work in partnership, so I think that's really great to hear. Like I said, we'll just have to wait and see what happens. It's anyone's guess of how the e-commerce thing is going to go, and it sounds like everyone at Saks is really confident about e-commerce and they're keeping the stores. So hopefully they can do both. It would be really nice to see Saks Fifth Avenue staying afloat and surviving the COVID-19 crisis. But again, time will tell, of course. So anyways, guys, that is my video on the Saks Fifth Avenue and the Saks e-commerce set, which is Saks.com, and Saks Fifth Avenue, which is being owned by Hudson Bay. So anyways, guys, that's about going to do it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And again, to look at this article, the link will be located in the description below. So anyways, guys, thank you again for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this video, and that will be it.